Hey guys, I'm making my own birthday cake.
Usbak ko na sila.
Hey guys, I'm making my own birthday cake.
Patubang, oy.
This one will be on top of this. So I'm making 2 layers of cake. It's just a simple birthday cake. Okay. So I'm now putting frosting. Chocolate frosting. I love chocolate and my daughter loves chocolate. So that's why it's chocolate cake.
To save money, just make your own.
To save money because it's pandemic, you need to make your own cake. Here's my homemade cake. My birthday cake.
She needs to stand behind you,
Happy
Bryce.
birthday to
Take the tag off.
Stand right there first.
To you. All right, everybody.
Tantang ang tag mo.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hazel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I'm Philippine. Spanish.
Sing in Spanish, go.
Cumpleaños
No, do it
feliz.
better. That sucks.
Okay.
Cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños feliz. Que lo cumpla, que lo cumpla, que lo cumpla feliz.
Yay!
I'm Philippine. Happy birthday in your language.
Maligayang kaarawan.
Sing happy birthday in Philippines.
Maligayang kaarawan.
I want you to sing.
I don't. We sing the same.
They sing it in English.
Oh, it's in English? Oh, okay.
It's in the English.
Uh-huh.
There's a lot of English over there. On what island? Okay. Blow it out so we can put that sucker.
Yes. So, and then we'll check Bryce's
I
trigger.
thought it's COVID.
Oh, you already have COVID.
I like it. See?
Every time they go water skiing, they always stop and have ice cream.
So we rented a house in Vegas back in November. It had a swimming pool. That's how much we paid for it for 3 nights.
I need to grab the scoop. Ice cream. Where'd you guys pay at?
So it's not far
Okay,
from.
if you want some cake, come on. Haze?
You gave me the rope.
It'll probably go down the same. Haze?
Dad wants some ice cream?
It's like the house.
Oh yeah.
Camden loves it. And they have one online called like Game of Thrones.
It's falling apart.
I just went.
I didn't know.
Go in the,
Because it's
go in the
different than
refrigerator.
what I bought like 5 years ago. It was a different like thing
You want some of this?
altogether.
Sure.
No!
Very important. Organization.
You guys.
Oh, it's dirty. I gotta clean it off.
Twice.
It's dirty. I gotta clean it off.
That's from a fire spark from the fire pit.
You do that to you. You do that to charity. Yeah. I get in trouble.
And I was like, I hope I
Just 11.
Why did you make it so tall? It's a double.
She made it taller than wider.
Yeah, she's in the young one.
How many people are there?
So January.
How many people are there?
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
17.
I already counted.
I don't make my vendor cakes. I make someone else.
That's one thing I stopped buying.
Yeah, why don't you set that on the weight, by the weight. Was that?
Do that for you.
Yeah.
You want a big one? How big do you want?
Not very big,
Not just one flavor, but what our dad was
very small.
This is the small
never
one.
known about 10
Remember, it's 12, so it's hard to...
Here.
Why do my neck look so long? Well, at least your face doesn't look like a bowling ball. My hair